Friends, this is Sengupta from JPPS. Students, in previous video, we discuss about nth term of AP, nth term of AP and find nth term from last of AP. Now we discuss question number 7 of NCERT exercise 6.2. Student, today we discuss exercise 6.2 question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Student, question is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Students, we find 31st term, it means we find A31. We given 11th term, it means A11 equal to 38 and 16 terms, it means A16 equal to 73. A11 38, A16 73. Student, suppose let first term of AP is A and common difference is student, we suppose first term is A and common difference is D. Now students, we find 11 terms. Students, we know that nth term of AP An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term of AP An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Students, we find 11th term. So value of n is 11. Value of A is A and value of D is D. So A plus 11 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 10D. Now students, we given value of 11 term is 38. So A plus 10D equal to 38. Consider equation 1. Now 16 term is 73. 16 term is 73. So we find A16. Here value of n is 16. So A plus 16 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 15D. But students, value of 16 term is 73. So A plus 15D equal to 73. Students, we have two equation. Equation 1, A plus 10D equal to 38. A plus 15D equal to 73. We solve equation 1 and 2 by substitution method, by eliminating method, by cross multiplication method. आपको equation 1 and 2 substitution, cross multiplication and eliminating method से आप solve कर सकते हो इसको. But we solve by eliminating method. So A plus 15D equal to 73. A plus 10D equal to 38. Student, subtract this equation. When we subtract, minus minus minus, A and A cancel out. 15D minus 10D, which is 5D. 73 minus 58. 73 minus 58, which is 35. So value of D is 7. It means common difference of AP is 7. Now putting value of A in equation 1 and equation 1 or 2. So putting value of D in equation 1. Students, आपने क्या किया? Value of D 1 में put किया. Equation 1 is A plus 10D equal to 38. So A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. A equal to 38 minus 70. A equal to 2. minus 32. So first term of AP is minus 32. Student, common difference of AP is 7 and first term of AP is minus 32. But we find 31st term. So A 31 equal to A plus 31 minus 1 into D. Value of A is minus 32 plus 30 into D. Value of D is 7. Minus 32 plus 210, which is 178. So third term of 31st term of AP is 178. Now student, question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms. Student, आपके पास AP given है. AP में number of terms, total terms कितना है? 50 है. Of which third term is 12. Third term of AP क्या आपके पास? 12. It means total number of terms is 50. Third term is 12. A3 is 12 and last term is 106. L equal to 106. Find the 29th term. It means we find A29. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स गिवन है, थर्ड टर्म गिवन है, लास्ट टर्म गिवन है एंड आपको 29 टर्म फाइंड करनी है. स्टूडेंट, सपोज लेट फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ AP is A and common difference is D. Student, we suppose first term is A and common difference is D. Now students, we given third term, so A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 2D. Value of third term is 12, so A plus 2D equal to 12. Now students, we given last term. Students, we know that last term of AP L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So last term of AP L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. But students, total number of terms in this AP is 50. So value of n is 50. Now last term is 106 plus A plus 50 minus 1 into D. 106 A plus 49D. So A plus 49D equal to 106. Equation to consider. Students, we solve equation 1 and 2 by eliminating method. So A plus 49D equal to 106. A plus 2D equal to 12. Subtract this equation. Minus cancel out. 47D, which is 94. So value of D is 2. Students, common difference of AP is 2. Now put value of D in equation 1 or equation 2. Students, आपको D की वैल्यू इक्वेशन 1 and 2 में पुट करना है. So we put in equation 1, putting value of D in equation 1. So A plus 2D equal to 12. Value of D is 2. So A plus 2 into 2. So value of A is 8. It means first term of AP is 8 and common difference of AP is 2. But students, we find 29 terms. So A29 equal to A plus 29 minus 1 into D. Value of A is 8. 28 into D. Value of D is 2. 8 plus 56, which is 64. So 29th term of AP is 64. Now students, question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. The 17 terms of an AP exceeds it is 10 term by 7. Students, AP की 17 terms 10 terms से 7 exceeds है. AP की 17 terms 10 terms से क्या है 7 exceeds है. It means A17 equal to A10 plus 7. 17 terms is 7 exceeds from 10 terms. फाइंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. स्टूडेंट, सपोज लेट फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ AP is A and common difference is D. Students, suppose first term of AP is A and common difference is D. Now we find 17 terms. So A17, which is A plus 17 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 16D. So 17 term of AP is A plus 16D. Now we find 10 terms. 10 term A plus 10 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 9D. Put value of A17 and A10. Students, value of A17 and A10 putting in equation 1. So A plus 16D equal to A plus 9D plus 7. Shift here. A plus 16D minus A minus 9D equal to 7. A and N cancel out. 7D equal to 7. D equal to 1. Students, so common difference of AP is 1. Common difference of AP is 1.